I don't know what gets more sustainable than killing them with cold hard steel. And that's all this thing is. It's just cold, hard, perfectly machined steel spinning at 3,000 RPM. Pulverizing weed seeds and just spreading them back out on the ground, ready to provide future nutrients for the next crop. My name's Josh Lade. I farm with the Weed family on the prairies, Central Saskatchewan. We farm roughly 16,000 acres between 3 farming families. We grow wheat, barley, oats, canola, peas, lentils. We try a new crop every year, it seems like, just trying to get as much diversity in our cropping rotation as we can, because that also upsets weed cycles as well. Generally, the same crops are grown where I'm from and here, but the growing season's just so short. We're working with snow coming and snow leaving and then getting a crop in the ground. So by getting this weed control tactic done at harvest time, it just takes the pressure off big weed burdens or volunteer problems that could be arising in the late fall period. Also, applying chemistries in the fall, a lot of them are soil residual herbicides that lock you into a crop rotation the next year. This thing locks you into nothing. Those weeds that will fall back onto the soil, it's nature's way, they're going to reproduce. And those weeds are the fittest weeds of the year. They've gotten through all the agronomic practices that we've thrown at them all year, whether it's been narrow row spacings, increased seeding rates, applying the right chemistries at the right times. And all we do with this combine is, if we're not collecting them and putting them in the grain tank, we're just spreading them out. It's like you're planting a whole lot of the Incredible Hulk. The Terminator steps in and just takes the chaff component and just pulverizes it into flour, killing all the weed seeds, volunteer grains. So it's not allowing any weeds that may have exited the combine a chance to play next year. They're just done, they're gone. This isn't just an overnight fix. This is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. It's a journey, but it's a journey worthwhile.